this video I'll teach you how to add HTTPS record in GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to click your profile name in the top right corner and go to your products page. Then you need to look at the domain section and you need to find the domain for which you want to add the HTTPS record. For example, let's choose this one and you need to click DNS. Then you need to click add new record. And in the type, you need to select HTTPS. You need to write add in the name. You need to leave priority, and in the value, you need to write the website itself. So for example, write the website. And in the TTL, you need to leave it on half an hour. Then click save, and that's how you can add HTTPS. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.